guess I modded my V-Saber. So I have a bunch of custom songs, and I just wanted to do this one for funsies.
Listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow the moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Shh! Don't touch that. Now look at this bat that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go!
Well, that just happened. That wasn't edited or anything. This is like pure recording. I'm cutting this video.